Hello everyone, welcome back to Kid Python Challenge. Okay, let's continue the development of card flipping game. Okay, so last time we made the game which accepts mouse clicks and flip the cards using the mouse. Okay, right? So let's see the card. Let's see the code and run it, so that we can remember that. So L56, okay, we can move it as this here, okay? So, okay, let's see. If you run it, if you click, you can flip any card as you like, okay? Let's see. So the homework was record and write the number of flips and made it. So, okay, maybe we can initialize any instance variable self dot say clicks and click n and click initialize as 0, and every time you click inside, increment it self and click plus equals 1, and say print it anywhere. Okay, just very to avoid the trouble, just print it on the CMD, this area. So let's see, and click and self and click. Let's check that it increases as we click more. So click, maybe and click self dot and click. What's the trouble? Self and click and click. Okay, I forgot. See here. Okay, so let's run it. This happens. 1, let's see it. 2, good, fine. Maybe we will put it somewhere here, maybe next time, later. Okay, let's see. Let's move on to today's part. Card flipping game 4. Now the mission. Okay, the game mission is to flip in the order of the numbers on the card. So we want to click the card with 1 on it, then 2, 3, 4, 5, according to the number on the card. That's the mission. Okay, so to do that, yeah, maybe what we need to do is keep the next number to be clicked in self dot next n. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, maybe we need to flip card with 1, right? So here, self next n as 1. Okay, and also maybe we want to in order to make the efficiently do the run and debugging, maybe we want some cheat information, so we will print the secret card order here, okay, so that we can click correctly as we want. And then what we need to do is, okay, here clicked card is decided by this. So maybe we can compare. Okay, the point is, how can we know the number on the card? So the trick is here, right? Here. Okay, do the same thing. So the position is sorry. Position is self dot py times nn plus self dot px. Okay, this is a position index of the clicked card. Okay, to face up, and then we need to check the number on it, done by like this. Okay, so the point is, if v is the same as next card to be flipped, self dot next n, then good news is that we can maybe increment next n by 1. Okay. This is the smallest thing we need to do first. Maybe we need to check the success or visualize the success or not. But anyway, we can do it and see. Let's see how this comes out. Okay. By the way, okay, I see. Card is not defined. So card is not self.card. By the way, to make debugging easier, let's make the grid smaller, 3 by 3 instead of 4 by 4. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so good. So here's the cheat information. One is here. Okay, so let's click it. 1. Okay, again, we forgot to put self here. And also, maybe we print good. And v. So that we can make sure that we do the correct thing. So, okay, if we click here, nothing happens. Just n click increases. But if you click here, okay, knight 841 is here. So if we click 1, good, 1. So next thing is we need to find 2. We know that 2 is here. 2, good. 3, 4, good. 5, good. 6, 7. Fine. So what we need to do is, maybe we need to congratulate ourselves when everything is fine. Okay, so let's see. Compare it with the flipped card. If correct, increment self and print. Good. So we did it. Run, check, and improve. When done, print done. So when shall we do it? Stop the video and try yourself. Okay. Maybe we can check here. Okay. Let's see. Maybe we can click here, right here, before incrementing it. So if self dot next n equals, sorry, equals, something is wrong, equals n times n, then we're done, right? So print done. And then maybe return without incrementing it. Okay, done. N by n. Let's run it. Okay, so we click here. I made a mistake. 1. N is not defined. Let's see. N times N. Sorry. N times N. Not N, single N. Okay, let's run it. Okay, good. 1, 1, 2. Let's see the cheat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Nothing happens. What's wrong? 9. Oh, I see. Okay, I see. So should be after. This should be after here. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Right here. Okay. Sorry. Something is wrong. Okay. Okay. And after increment, if it is 9, we are done. Okay. So maybe this is fine. So if we click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Done. Okay, done 9. Okay, good. So maybe we can stop the game. Anyway, so, okay. Homework. When done, print congrats in the message area, and maybe we can make sure that the game is over. And also print out how many clicks you needed to finish this. Okay. Basically, that's very simple. If you can complete the mission with the minimum number of clicks, that's the best. And work to increase the number of clicks before completing the mission. Okay, hope you can do it and try it and make fun of it, out of it. Okay, let's see next time. Bye-bye.